Welcome back to the channel. My name's Neil if you haven't met me yet, and this is my fishing life. And today we're at Calville Bay. I was at Cottonwood this morning and it got really blowing out, so I came up north to Calville Bay. Got a few hours, maybe 3 or 4, to get on the water, get some fishing in. This morning at Cottonwood got really windy. Gosh. Gust up to 25, 15 sustained. I caught one fish on the drop shot and then I bounced. It was just too hairy, too dicey for me. We got no back camera today too, because the battery's out. No motor either. So we're all manpower today, baby. This is how I used to fish for a long time before I got a motor, so it's definitely doable. Allows you to slow down. And sometimes slowing down helps you catch fish. If you know what I'm talking about, comment down below. But sometimes I'm just moving too fast. Sometimes I'm looking at the graph and looking for a certain type of structure, and I'm really not just slowing down and looking at what I'm doing. And then also right now, there's probably a lot of bedfish. You got a couple different ways you can fish. I was almost not even gonna put on my graph, to be honest, today. Yeah, a lot calmer waters up here. Wind is supposed to pick up, so we'll just play it by ear, kinda. Let's get out here and whack some fish, man. Let's go. This water is pretty dirty. Can't really tell the visibility just right now, but I think with all the wind, it's definitely stirred up a lot. Temperature did drop a little bit. Water temp though is 65, so these fish probably are shallow, but I'm just gonna double check. See if I can't get bit on a wobble head, the chigger craw. Got one. Start recording. Start recording. Nice smallie. Oh. Gotcha. Nice. Nice. Wow, look at that thing. There we go. On the wobble head. Whew. It wasn't stuck all that good. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a nice one. That is a nice one. All right, let's go, baby. Let's go. On the wobble head, 1/2 ounce, chigger craw on it. Okay guys, 18.5. It's a nice big one. Nice one. Nice smallmouth. Zeroed out. .86. Okay. I know. I'll let you go right now. All right, buddy. There it goes. It's just staying right there. Yeah, that makes my day right there. Just with all the stuff that went wrong, crazy. Catch a fish and you feel a ton better. That's what it looks like, ½ ounce, and it just kind of, when it hits the rocks, you know, that the head just goes crazy, and these tentacles are just doing this down there. So it works. It definitely works. Let's catch another. That was shallow too. That's a fish. That's a fish. Oh, he's barely on. I knew there had to be one there. I knew there was gonna be one there. There you go, buddy. Small one. Little small one. I don't think he'll measure. I don't think he's gonna measure. That's 2 for the wobble head. Let's see. I don't know. He'll help me. He's gonna help me. Ow. He might hurt me. Right. Take him. Yep. 14 3/4. Let it go. There she goes, baby. And see, there's a nice flat right there. So it comes around, there's a flat. There's some rock, but it's not really rock. It's really kind of weeds. And that's what I was keying in on. There's the lizard now. Little 6-inch lizard. Zoom. Come up in these weeds right here. And sorry guys, I'm being really quiet because I don't want to spook anything if there is anything here. But looks like we're empty in this pocket. Oh, maybe not. Glad he caught one. Caught one right on the same spot that I caught it. Good for him. Haven't got the sidearm down with this good one. Dude, he's thrashing. I think it's strong. Nope, largemouth. Largemouth, baby. Just play him out. bring them around here. It literally died when I caught the fish, when he came in the net. Wow. I've done nothing but just, that's crazy. Oh, what a fish. What a fish, baby. The wacky. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. On the wacky, right where you want it. Behind the jaw. Yes, this hook is it, dude. Oh, that hook is in there. That's what I wanted right there, baby. That's what I was searching for. Glad I switched it up to the wacky. There we go. Nice. Let's get a quick weight on it. Are you kidding me? 286 again? Let's try it again. Throw it out. 286. Wow. Same as the smallmouth. Let's go, baby. I'll take it. Let's get a picture of this guy. Our buddy go here. Ooh, don't. Phone's not zipped up. Get out this sucker. We've lost enough today. Alright. There it goes. There he goes. Nice. 8-10 feet with those weeds that come up, just like on this side. Those weeds, they're all right here. Those fish are just, you know, they're hiding in it. They're getting ready to ambush, you know. Ambush prey, and that's what it did. This is a really good area. The thing I don't like about this is that grass is brown. There's one. There's a jumper. There's a fighter. There we go, baby. Yes! Look at that one. Not as big, but still nice. Sorry guys, I think I might have got in the way of the camera. I wasn't trying to, but he had me a little out of position there. Yep, hit the camera and everything. Alright. Dropped it right on his head too. Let's take a quick one. Quick picture, buddy. You're 16 1/4. Alright guys. Let's let him go. Off. One thing I like about these VMC bands, man, That's the same Senko. What's that, 2 fish? But I got 3 bites. Same Senko there. How's it going?
How you doing?
Not too bad. How you doing?
Hey, mind if I check your fishing license?
Yeah, sure.
If you just go on the website and screenshot it, that's perfect. Or like save it to your notes or something. That's usually what we do.
Yeah, I think I have it in my mail. And of course, like, you gotta scroll through the mail and everything.
You're good for today.
All right, cool, brother. All right, you guys take it easy. Best of luck out there. All right, guys, you saw it here first. 4 hours on the Yak, Calville Bay. It was a good day, man. I don't know where the wind is. I could see a lot of clouds. They got rain clouds. It looks like rain clouds are coming in. So I guarantee this wind is probably coming in too. But man, it was a fun day today. We got the line tight. We whacked on a couple fish, and got some good ones. Man, it was awesome. There's a couple of instances where, you want to give up. Cottonwood, my motor goes out because the battery just clunk. I think it's done, so it's done. And then I'm over here fishing, and my battery that charges the DJI, that allows it to charge around the clock so I don't have to use batteries, slips out the pocket and clunk, right in the water. So 2 batteries down today. Man, it's all good. Things happen out here. You live and you learn. Probably next time, probably put a lanyard on it. Either way, super fun. We got an 18.5 inch smallmouth, 286. We got a 18.25, 18.5 largemouth, 286. We got a 16, and then we had a mid 14, I believe. So yeah, and then we had a 14 at Cottonwood that I didn't get on camera because there's 2 guys out there too, real nice guys. Talking to them. And if you haven't thought about getting in a kayak, man, it's fun. It's a nice workout. Just like those guys, they don't have a motor. It's good just to get out here and enjoy the nature, enjoy the water, meet with people, share community, and help each other out. Yeah, I think that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a like. Please give it a subscribe. If you feel like I did a good job, please comment down below how I can improve, and if you like the video or not, or what you've been catching them on. Have a blessed day. This is Neil, signing out. Peace.